A dinner recipe to boost your fitness. Introduction. Looking for a quick and healthy dinner option that requires minimal effort and cleanup? These salmon and asparagus foil packets are your answer. This recipe brings together the natural goodness of salmon and the freshness of asparagus, all cooked to perfection in individual foil packets. It's a fuss-free way to enjoy a delicious and nutritious meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's dive right into this effortless culinary delight. Salmon and asparagus foil packets. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 1 bunch of asparagus, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees, 190 degrees. Place each salmon fillet on a separate piece of aluminum foil. Trim the asparagus and divide them evenly between the 2 foil packets. In a small bowl, whisk together minced garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Drizzle this mixture over the salmon and asparagus. Fold the foil to create a sealed packet for each serving. Bake in the oven for 15-20 minutes or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork. Serve the salmon and asparagus with the juices from the packets. These recipes are not only healthy, but also delicious and easy to prepare. Enjoy your nutritious dinner. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.